G'day guys, it's Matt here, the Kiwi Culchie in Skibbereen in West Cork. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy peasy pasta that I always used to cook wherever I was around the world in my 26-year career. It's really easy, and of course when you're having a busy service and you haven't got a lot of time, it was done in about 2 or 3 minutes. Obviously I really like it as well, so you've probably seen it on my Facebook page, the Kiwi Culchie as well. And it's I would eat that about 3 times a week. So enjoy, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember the link underneath below you takes you to my website to get the recipe. See you at the end. You'll notice I'm using a rapeseed oil. This is an Irish product, and rapeseed oil is high in omega-3, and it acts as the sauce, and the garlic is infused into the oil that acts as the sauce rather than a cream or a tomato sauce. So it's a very light dish that's very good for you. Okay guys, well that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Really easy pasta, really cost effective for the family, and also use the rapeseed oil. Okay, it's really nice. It's an Irish product. You can get it in different brands all around Ireland in your local stores. And remember, don't go shy on the Parmesan. It really makes it. It's kind of like the garlic being infused with the rapeseed oil, and the Parmesan, it all kind of comes at a kind of sauce. It's slightly different, but it's really tasty. So remember guys to subscribe to the channel, and remember the link below will take you to my website. That's the Skibbereen Food Company, and what you'll be able to do is print out the recipe. Guys, see you soon. Can't wait to see you again. Thanks guys, bye.